All right, welcome. Thank you for showing up for my Swift Strength Surge. This is a 10-to-1 ladder where we're going to start at 10 reps, work down to 1. I have a large sequence of movement that we're going to do during this, okay? So I'm super excited. You're already warmed up. You've already done your workout. You're feeling great. You're ready to get going. So we're going to do this. I want you to listen to me. I'm going to cue you as we go. You can work at your own pace if you want, but I will be counting for us, and hopefully I stay on task, team. All right, we're going to start with a walkout here into high plank. So let's just touch down here, walk it out to high plank. We're going to start with 10 dynamic plank ups on our right arm and 10 on our left. Let's go here, down and up with that right arm for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, left side, left down, left up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Walk it all the way in. We have 10 reverse lunges on our right leg and then 10 on our left. So let's step back for 1, up 2. We're just going to stay with that same leg. 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's switch left side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. 10 squats for me. Here we go. 10. I'm going to count down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right now, before we head on to those 9 reps, if you're short on time or you already realize this is going to be too much for you, maybe click ahead through my chapters. There should be a 5 count. Start at the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give that a try today, okay? Just go forward a little bit and finish that for me. Otherwise, here we go. 9 reps on this one. We're walking it out. Right arm for 1, up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good job. Left arm down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo! Walk it all the way back in. Right leg back here for 9. I'm going to count down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Other side. 1, 2 to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Nice work, team. 10 squats here. Here we go. Or 9 squats. You're like, no, Tatum, 8. We're going down. 7. I got a 6. 5. Stay focused. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 8. 8 is great. Here we go. Another walkout. All the way out to that high plank. Right arm down. Right arm up for 8. Let's count down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left arm down and up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it all the way back up. You got it. Right leg back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. 8. Remember, if you're off count, if you're doing your own pace there, go ahead, turn me down, turn your music up, and keep working. 3, at your own pace. 2, and 1. 8 squats. Here we go. 8, 7, 6. Now we're feeling the work we put in today. 5, right? 4, heart rate's elevating. 3, sweat is coming on. 2, and 1. Great job. 7s, 7s. Here we go. Walk it out. Right arm down and up for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Left arm down and up for 1. Counting up. 2. I keep switching it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo. And up. Great job. All right. Right leg back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Find 7 squats. Team 1, 2, 3. You got it. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Whew. All right, walking it out into our 6. Here we go. Right arm down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left arm down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the way to the top. It's getting faster. We're going quicker. It's going to get better. Here we go. 6, 5, reverse lunge. 4, I'm going to head down to the floor on this. 2, and go a little deeper. 1, here we go, other side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 6 squats, team. Here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 5, my favorite number. And going down, it's going to get quicker. Here we go. Walk it out. Right arm down, right arm up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left arm down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it up. All right, I realize you may not be doing the same pace as me. 5, 4, if that's the case, just work at your own pace, okay? Just do your thing. 2, just keep working, all right? And 1, good. Other side. 5, some of you might be working ahead of me. 4, and going faster. That's okay. 3, I want you to challenge yourself. All right, that challenge is different for everybody today. 5 squats, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, it feels great to be halfway done, all right? Let's go down to 4s. Walk it out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left arm down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the way up. All right, step it back for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 4 squats. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down to 3. It's getting better. It's getting better. Here we go. Right arm up and down. 3, 2, and 1. Left arm. 3, 2, and 1. Walk it in. Oh, nice work. Right arm, or right leg back. 1, 2, 3. Left leg, 3, 2, 1. 3 squats, 3, 2, and 1. Give me 2s. Here we go. Right arm up and down for 1 and 2. Oh yeah, feels good. Left arm up for 1 and 2. Oh yeah, walk it in. Reverse lunge. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Give me 2 squats. 1, 2. Singles, okay? 1, walk it out. Right arm down, up, left arm down and up. Walk it in. Step it back with that right leg. Step it back from that left. Give me a deep squat. And we're done. Yay! Nice work, team. All right, so happy you showed up for this. All right, it's time to go on to our stretch. Please click the link up above. All right, flexibility, mobility. If we want to be able to squat low and engage all those muscles, we have to have the mobility, okay? So go ahead, hit that stretch link. It's only 5 minutes. Get going. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.